kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about the words beginning with the sound of the letter C. In this lesson, you will be able to learn and recognize pictures beginning with the sound of the letter C. Are you ready? C is a letter in the alphabet. This is an uppercase letter C. How to write the uppercase letter C? Use one stroke to write the uppercase letter C. Start below the blue headline. Circle back left ending above the blue baseline. This is a lowercase letter C. How to write the lowercase letter C? Use one stroke to write the lowercase letter C. Start below the red midline. Circle back left ending above the blue baseline. Once again, this is the uppercase and lowercase letter C. C is a consonant and it has a sound. The letter C sounds as K, K, K. It's like a sound of the letter K. Read the consonant-vowel pair with which the name of each picture begins. Ka, cat. Ko, cold. Cob. Now it's your turn. Ready? Well done. Cabbage. Cactus. Camel. Can. Cap. Car. Cat. Camera. Card. Carrot. Caterpillar. Castle. Coconut. Coin. Color. Color. comet. Compass. Cone. Cup. Coral. Corn. Cub. Cup. Cat. Once again, these are the words beginning with the sound of the letter C. Cabbage, cactus, camel, can, cap, car, cat, camera, card, carrot, caterpillar, castle, coconut, coin, color, comet, compass, cone, cup, coral, corn, cub, cap, cat. More words beginning with the sound of the letter C. Candy, cake, cane, cake, cookies, cow, candle, cucumber, pork. Say the name of each picture and circle the consonant-vowel pair with which each name begins. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comments section. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is cold. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is car. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is cup. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is cup. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is camel. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is coconut. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is Ka, castle. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is Ko, compass. Write the name of the picture whose begins with the sound of the letter C. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comments section. These are the pictures whose names begin with the sound of the letter C. Cake, candle, candy, cane, cape, cat. Now, practice writing the letter C on your notebook.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.